Creating a form page on GetResponse is a great way to capture leads from your website, landing pages or pop-ups. Here's how to create one. Log into GetResponse. Go to the GetResponse login page and log in with your credentials. Access the Forms section. From the main dashboard, click on Forms under the Email Marketing tab. Create a new form. Click on Create Form to begin designing your form. You can choose from several form types such as standard, pop-up, or floating bar. Select the one that best fits your needs. Customize the form. Use the drag and drop editor to customize your form's layout, fields, and design. You can add fields like name, email, phone number, etc. Customize the form's colors, fonts, and text to match your branding. Set form actions. Define what happens after a visitor submits the form. You can redirect them to a thank you page, show a confirmation message, or trigger an email sequence. Integrate with lists. Select which email list the form submissions will be added to. This helps you target specific audiences. Publish the form. Once you're happy with the design, save and publish your form. Embed the form on your website or use a GetResponse landing page to display it.